In this quick basic color correction tutorial, I'll show you how to make your photo colors pop using Photoshop's built-in color correction tools and the Camera Raw filter. Let's get started. First, duplicate the layer. Now, right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next, let's test a few of Photoshop's built-in color fixes. Go to Image and click on Auto Tone. That doesn't look great, so I'm gonna undo that one. Let's try the next one, Auto Contrast. Yeah, this one looks better. We'll stick with that. Lastly, check out Auto Color, but again, it's not doing much here, so we'll skip it. Alright, now let's open the Camera Raw filter. First up, in the white balance section, let's hit Auto. Not too impressive, so I'll turn that off. Below, there's another Auto button. Still not amazing, but we can tweak it manually. Try adjusting each slider and see what looks good to you. Play around with the exposure, contrast, highlights, whatever makes your image pop. If you want to go deeper, there are more sections above you can explore, but for this video, I'm keeping it simple, just enough to get a basic feel for color correction in Photoshop. Once you're happy with the changes, press OK. Now let's compare it with the original photo. You can already see the difference. At the end of the day, it's all about practice. The more you play with these tools, the better you'll get. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.